Oh, it's a big ass mountain whitefish. Can we even keep these? I'm gonna let you go. Hold on, hold. Hold, sir. Hold, sir. Hold. Come. You are a strange fish. How do I get the hook out of you? There. You're a beautiful fish, man. That is a beautiful animal. Hold on, little buddy. You gonna be okay? Please tell me it's just because it's cold. I know it's springtime. You should be okay. That was so cool. First fish of the year. And it's a mountain whitefish? That's badass. Cool.